probably going, what the heck, Double G? You could just, you know, spend a few more dollars, and some of you have said that in the comments, and buy automotive paint. Yeah, I could. But I'm building this car as a driver. I want to keep the costs low. I thought it'd be fun to do a Rust-oleum paint job. Total in, like you'll see in this video, I think I'm probably going to have $250 in the whole paint job. So all that combined, plus, you know, the fact that I wouldn't have to retool, plus add to that the mess and the overspray that's involved in doing a, you know, a professional automotive paint job. You know, the stuff blows everywhere. You blow as much product out into the air as you would, you know, getting product on the car you're painting. So again, all those things I just wanted to clarify, you know, because I didn't make it clear in the video of why I'm doing this. Hey everybody, welcome back to Double G's Garage. As you can see, we're making pretty good progress with the 69 convertible paint job. So today we're going to put some primer on it. We're going to try to finish up all the last little bits of body work that need to be done. I keep finding more dents every time I put some primer on it. So we're going to get it all as smooth as we can, get ready to block sand it out, and hopefully by the end of this week we're going to be putting some paint on it. So stick with us. We're probably just going to do what you've seen, some sanding, some primer, and those kind of things today. So if you're wondering kind of what I'm doing here, obviously if you've watched other videos, I'm doing a Rust-oleum paint job with this, but what I'm putting underneath it is any place that there's bare metal or there's something that I'm worried about bleeding through, I'm actually using this self-etching Krylon primer as a primer sealer. It goes on really nice. It's kind of thin. It's definitely not a high build primer. It doesn't have a lot of solids in it, but it really sticks. I mean, to the point when I spray it on bare metal and I start sanding it, it's tough to get it back off. So anyway, that's what I'm using here. Kind of show you, self-etching Krylon, and then we'll put that on these spots where I've got some Bondo going on or any kind of body work, and also bare metal. Okay, so this is the, I want to call it the finished product for the sealer, but again, the etching primer, once it's put on there, this is what it looks like. Again, it's not a high build primer, so if you've got any imperfections in the bodywork that you're doing, it's going to show through that. So you can see here what that finished product, I'll see if I can zoom in. So it's the whole idea behind this, you know, it's nice and smooth, and you can't see the circle or oval where the Bondo repair was made. Again, just a really light skim coat, not a whole lot of Bondo going back in here, just fixing some dents and dings. But the whole purpose behind the sealer is I don't want anything bleeding through the base coat. Now the base coat obviously is the white Rust-oleum. So what this is, the white that you see on here now, is the primer, and I'll show you what that looks like. I just got another case of it in. So hopefully you can see that. This is the primer that's going on. Then on top of that will be the, and this is high build, by the way. This definitely will fill in any sand and scratches or anything. It's very high build. The mill thickness on this is very thick. And then what'll go on top of this will be the 2X Rust-oleum gloss white. Then what'll go on top of that is the 2K automotive clear. Anyway, that's about all I got for today. I'm going to keep on working on this convertible and get this paint job knocked out. So hopefully next video I post, I'll be spraying it. So again, don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by.